In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can browse for free using this VPN that I'm about to show you. This is Alpha Moment. My name is Kweku Benjamin, and if today is your first time on this channel, I would like you to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments in the comment section below. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So first, I'll have to launch my Play Store. So we are going to download this app called Nina ProNet VPN. So once it is found, then you install it. So let's wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, then we'll launch the application. Now the app has been downloaded, and what we'll be doing is that right now I have bundle on my Vodafone, but I have no bundle on my MTN SIM card. So before we can use the app, we have to switch to MTN before we can use it. This is to prove that without you having a bundle, MTN bundle or any data bundle, you can still use the app. Okay, so open the app. So after selecting United States, then you come to select promo. So you can see you have a lot of countries here. So you can see that we have Ghana. Depending on which country you are, you can select and locate your country. So here I'm using MTN and I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to choose Ghana MTN. Then I'll connect. You see, it's about to connect. Okay, it has been connected. It has connected. You see, because I don't have data, that's why this thing is showing here. That's why it is showing sign into the network, because I don't have data. But now this is, you see, you can see that the MTN data is on. Okay, so you let me open YouTube and see if it will work. See, YouTube is working. YouTube is working. YouTube is working. So I just wanted to click on I want to click on a random video to see if it will load the page. You see, it's working. It's working. It's working. Wow, unbelievable. The app is working. I hope this video has been a help to you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would like you to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments in the comment section below, so that others too can also benefit from this video. So I would like to end this video here. Bye bye.